guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Kirito and today I'm gonna show you my new bot Clara. Okay, so let's go into the script. Clara. Okay, here's the code. I will provide you the code in the description box. Don't forget to check. If you like my video, then hit a like button, of course. Okay, let it load. Okay, the command is C for me, so let me run this. C hello. First time it takes time. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, here's the reply. How are you? You can see what she's sending, and here it's written. uh, I am fine. You can see here. Okay, which language is this? You can always just go and talk to her anytime you want, I guess. Okay, you can see you love you love me. Okay, that's a very good question. I guess. Okay, this is for today's guy. I hope you like my video, and if you like my video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so see ya, take care, bye bye.